We're joined by Nirmal Kaur, former DGP, Abha Singh, advocate and women rights activist, former bureaucrat, Huda Zariawala, AAP supporter, Neoma Gupta, spokesperson of the BJP and an advocate. Thank you all for joining us. And Abha Singh, first to you, your comments on this entire case. It's such a serious matter, the allegations that have been made, and the Aam Aadmi Party must take action. But now you have all these accusations, counter accusations, this video also being released.
This is not something which can be taken lightly, because Swati Maliwal right now is a member of parliament, and she has been saying that she was beaten up, and now the charges which have been put in FIR, 308 IPC's attempt to culpable homicide, punishment is 3 to 7 years. They have also put 354B, that is somebody tried to disrobe her. And that again is 3 to 7 years of punishment. So such serious charges. But the big issue which comes, I'm being the devil's advocate, she went to the police station on 13th, but she did not register an FIR. So the video footage which was released today, where she's trying to say, "Main aapki naukri le lungi, aapka main trying to barge into the chief minister's house," that also can go against her. But her medical is going to be the most important thing. The forensics is going to update this case, whether she's actually injured, are there any bruise marks on her body. Also the video footage. If the video footage which has been selectively released, the full video is there, where it is seen that nothing has happened to her and she's telling lies, then a counter FIR, because she has given a statement to a magistrate. So, which would be perjury, which would be telling lies. So then there can be a counter FIR also on her, which you should be ready for. But going by the facts, how things are, if she stands by it and she produces evidence, Delhi police will have to look into it. But going by Delhi police record, Brij Bhushan Saran Singh, Tarun Tejpal, they have never registered FIR. So they have to now tread it with real sincerity. They have to prove the case, because it cannot be under any political compulsion. That is all I can say, because initially when Sanjay Singh said, no, it was bad manners or abhadrata, that time they must have thought she's a party MP and there are infights and they will get her back. But now when she's taken a side of putting such serious allegations, Aam Aadmi Party will have to defend itself. The Chief Minister will have to show that nothing like this happened. Because what video you're showing, she's sitting confidently, she is threatening the Delhi police officers. So everything has to be seen with a pinch of salt. But going by Delhi police records, I am going to be guarded on this.
Abha Singh, this is something that has been very unseemly, distasteful, that every time you have this, a selective outraging of certain cases, whether it be Brij Bhushan Sharan Singh, and then the more, of course, recently Prajwal Revana case, where he's actually accused of assaulting and raping women, and there are videos of it. He's missing, he's abroad, he's not coming back. So again, it's all very, all getting politicized, but women's right needs to be in focus, and any sort of crimes against women, justice needs to be done.
Exactly, women have become tools in the hands of these politicians. They are only trying to show that, oh, we are concerned about the safety of women. We are concerned about if you are concerned about the safety of women, then you should walk the talk. Manipur women, what did you do? Revanna is still sitting abroad. You have not got him here. By this time, he would have blackmailed so many witnesses, victims, what all he would have done. Brij Bhushan Sharan Singh's son has been given a ticket. So here in this case, and biggest thing is Swati Maliwal went to the police on 13th. So where is the video footage of that? Let police come and show. Did she come disheveled? Was she beaten up? Her medical, why did police not get the medical done straight up that same day? 13th, why did they let her go? Because it would have strengthened the case. And it is the duty, 154 CRPC very clearly says that it is the duty of any person who gets to know that a crime has happened. So if she told the cops that on 13th I have been beaten, why did not the police write the FIR that same day?
Are you hopeful that, given the kind of political scrutiny on this case and political pressure, one imagines, your hopes that the Delhi police will, thoroughly investigate this and the truth should emerge?
In fact, I feel if you really want to investigate this case, take it out of Delhi police, give it to CBI. Let CBI, court-monitored CBI investigation be done, because half the time women crimes are used by politicians to benefit them, not the cause of women.